Now I have got some sentences and I need your help. So we need to open these brackets and write the correct version. Let's do number 1 together about Julia. So we have got not drink. What we should write here if it is negative sentence?
Doesn't drink.
Yeah, Julia doesn't drink. Absolutely correct.
Doesn't drink tea very often.
Okay. Ekaterina, number 2 for you. How to say it?
What time does the banks?
Banks, yeah.
What time do the banks close here?
Yeah. Well, sometimes it is a tricky moment. Okay. Evgenia, can you try the third one?
I have a car, but you listen here? Me?
Yes,
You listen
yes.
to me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I have a car, but I don't use it much.
Yeah. Okay, Pauline, how about 4?
Where do Maria come from? Where does Maria come from?
Because it is Maria. Okay, great. So it is a tricky quiz because there are many options. Can you read it and tell me which letter is the correct one?
B.
Okay, you think it is B. So does everyone agree that this is?
Yes.
Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, so what is next? The next is for Ekaterina. So please look, read, and tell us what is the correct letter.
She's watering flowers. F.
Yeah, okay. So Evgenia, next is for you.
A. The cat is sleeping.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, Polina.
C. She's sitting on the chair.
Of course.